Welcome to Bougainvillea 9101 at Reserva Conchal. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom corner condo is right on the golf course and nestled in tropical gardens. It's got an expansive floor plan of over 1,670 square feet with an upgraded kitchen that has stainless steel appliances, granite counters, wood cabinets, and a great window overlooking tropical gardens. The large living space is flooded with natural light from the beautiful new windows and leads out onto the large terrace overlooking the course. When you're not relaxing on this incredible terrace, you might enjoy a visit to the Bougainvillea clubhouse with private pool. The primary suite has a king bed and fantastic views overlooking the golf course. There are French doors that open onto the covered terrace. The ensuite bathroom has double vanities and a spa shower, and there's also a walk-in closet. The guest bedroom is very spacious with lots of storage. There are double closets. It's currently furnished with twin beds, but there's plenty of room for a king if that's your preference. This room also has great views out over the tropical gardens. There's a very pretty guest bathroom with shower right next to the guest bedroom. Bougainvillea 9101 enjoys access to all of Reserva Conchal's 5-star amenities, including beachfront club with white sand beach, fitness center, pool, and restaurant. Contact us if you'd like to tour Bougainvillea 9101. We have 20 years experience helping investors in Reserva Conchal.